morning, sir. So for today's video, I'm gonna demonstrate to you the fixed 5 volts regulated power supply with the flow of schematic diagram. So this side of the electrical circuit of schematic diagram has a power supply of 220 volts. This side will go into the switch and this side is going to the fuse. So this is fuse and this is the symbol. A fuse is an electrical safety device that operates to provide overcurrent protection of an electrical circuit. The fuse will be connected either live or neutral. But in here, it is connected to neutral that connected to neon lamp. Next is the switch. It is used to turn on and off. The switch is connected to live and it is connected to neon lamp. Here. This is the neon lamp. This is the wire leads of two terminals, the positive and the negative side. Neon lamp is connected to transformer. The first terminal of the neon lamp, the live, which is connected to the negative side of the transformer, and the other terminal, the neutral, which is connected to the positive side of the transformer. So this is the transformer and its symbol. A transformer is an electrical apparatus designed to convert alternating current from one voltage to another. It can be designed to step up or step down the voltage and works on a magnetic induction principle. This transformer has a primary input voltage with 220 VAC and 0 volts, secondary output voltage with 12 VAC dash 0 dash 12 VAC. It meaning a transformer is nag-step down ang voltage. So this red wire is the positive and the black is the negative. The black is the negative. So the negative wire of the transformer will be connected to D2. Here, connected to the D2. And the positive will be connected to D3. The diode is to allow an electric current to pass in one direction, called the diode's forward direction, while blocking in it the opposite direction, the reverse direction. The diode has two terminals. This is the positive side is called the anode and the negative one is called the cathode. Here in D2 or diode 2, the cathode is connected to transformer here. Connected to the transformer, and the anode is connected to the cathode of G3. Here, connected to the D3. In the D3, the anode is connected to the transformer. Here connected to the transformer, and the cathode is connected to D2. The D2 and the D3 are connected to the resistor. This is the resistor and its symbol. Here is symbol. It is a 1K resistor. Resistors are used to reduce current flow, adjust signals level, to divide voltage, bias, active elements, and terminate transmissions lines, among other uses. It has a passive two-terminal electrical component. The first terminal will be connected to the capacitor. Here, capacitor. And the other terminal will be going into D1, which LED blue. Here, it's going to LED blue. The longer leg is the shorter leg is the negative side. Here, the longer leg. And the shorter leg is the negative side called the cathode. The cathode, which is connected to the resistor, and the positive side of the LED called anode will be connected to the capacitor. Here, will be connected to the capacitor. The capacitor have a positive and the negative side. The positive and the negative side. To tell which side is which, look for a large stripe or a minus sign or both on one side of the capacitor. The lead closest to the stripes or minus sign is the negative lead. The lead closest to the stripe, or which is unlabeled, is the positive lead. So this is the negative. This is the negative and this is the positive. The positive will be connected to the input. Here will be connected to the input. Connected to the input of the voltage regulator. The negative side will be connected to the ground. The voltage regulator has 3 terminals. Here, the voltage regulator has a 3 terminal. The 3-terminal voltage regulator is IC3. The IC3 terminal or pin 1. The pin 1 is input pin. It is for accepting incoming DC voltage. So, 2 is ground pin. 2 is a ground pin for establishing ground for the regulator, and the 3 output pin that supplies the positive 5 volts. Thank you.